Thank you. I'm just going to put on my trendy hat here. Here we are. The polar regions, that is the Arctic and Antarctic, are Earth's most sensitive barometers of change. They are also Earth's shields, and their oceans are Earth's lungs, or at least one lung, anyway. For many, however, these regions epitomize that phrase, out of sight, out of mind. I'm here to tell you that these beautiful polar regions are critical for the health of our planet. Unfortunately, they've failed their latest health check. The Arctic has warmed more than 4 times faster than the global average over the past 50 years. That equates to 3 degrees centigrade warming, the fastest rate of change anywhere on Earth. This barometer is saying storms are brewing. Sea ice is one of our planetary shields, demonstrated by my nice cap here. The snow on its surface reflects back 85% of the sun's solar radiation, like a big mirror. Remove it, expose my hair, which is now a mess now, and you expose the dark ocean below, which absorbs most of that same solar radiation. As the sea ice melts, our planetary shield begins to weaken in a positive feedback loop, contributing to even faster warming. This is known as Arctic amplification, and this has consequences. The Arctic Ocean sea ice loss is linked to rapid ocean acidification, 3 to 4 times faster than elsewhere on Earth. Arctic permafrost contains huge amounts of carbon. Accelerated warming risks unlocking this permafrost carbon time bomb. The Arctic also contains one of my favorites, the mighty Greenland ice sheet, the largest ice mass in the northern hemisphere, up to 3 kilometers thick in places. That's like stacking 10 Comcast towers on top of each other in downtown Philadelphia. This ice sheet covers a region the size of Alaska, and if it lost, and between 1992 and 2018, it lost around 4,000 billion tons of ice. If that ice sheet were to melt completely, it would be enough water to raise sea levels by more than 7 meters. Arctic amplification and the problems it will cause for our planet has been underestimated by our climate models. The polar alarm bells are ringing. As anyone who works in the polar regions knows, what happens there does not stay there. Thank you for listening.